So now we are going to start with the paper presentation. So this is a specimen paper that has been solved. यहाँ पे you need to look at the presentation of the paper. You can see we've properly written the given question 2 into x, 7, 9, y minus 5, 6, minus 7, 4, 5, 10, 7, 22, 15. Then multiplication अच्छे से किया है. Then they've added and they've shown the matrix addition as well. Then 1 to 1, they've equated. Then once they've calculated the final answer, they've written that in box form. So आपको final answer box form में लिखना है. इसका भी you need to pay attention. Then the next question is from banking. First, they've written the entire data that has been given to them. Then the formula that they've applied. Then they've substituted correctly. Then they've done the calculations neatly. And then addition kiya. Then the final answer. And the final answer was then written in the box format. So that is done. Next question was from probability. Again, सबसे पहले all possible outcomes लिखे. Then for every sub question, they wrote the number of favorable outcomes. Then the probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. वो apply करके तीनों parts का answer लेके आ गए. Then again, in the next question, as you can clearly see, students, what they've done is they have written the given data first, then whatever is to be found out, then the formula for that you're going to use to calculate that value has been specified. Then the values have been substituted properly. Then once the answer has been calculated, they've underlined that. Same goes for the second part, the volume of cylinder. They've calculated the correct answer. They've used the correct unit for every answer. And then once they have calculated the answers for both the parts, they have written both the answers together in the answer statement as well. So, and here, as you can observe, if you have to make any calculations, if you have, so what you need to do is you need to make a rough work column and सारे calculations आपको उसके अंदर करने हैं. All right. Then next question from AP, consecutive terms were given. You wrote that. Then you wrote what you need to find. Then the method that you needed to find that using common difference method. पूरे values आपने substitute किए, subtraction किया, and then after that you opened the bracket properly. Final answer आ गया. You wrote that in the box. Final answer format. Then the next question is from circles. So it is a geometry question. So for every step, they've written the reason. So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Then they've specified the two opposite angles. Supplementary है तो add करके 180 value substitute किया and they found out the value of the other angle as well. Then second part may be same. Then in the next part, they've used angle sum property to calculate the answer. So उसने वो specify किया है अच्छे से. Then angles in same segment has been used. वो भी properly specify किया. So as you can see, whatever theorem or whatever property that has been used to find a particular answer, we have written that in the reason as well. And then post that, once you found out all the answers, हमने उसको properly एक box form में लिख दिया. Next, remainder factor theorem का question है. Apply किया, take the factor as 0, got the value of x, f of x लिखा, f of -2 calculate किया, got the first equation, then f of -3 calculate किया, got the second equation, a and b दोनों की value पता की, and then wrote that in the final answer format. In trigonometry, you started with one side, LHS से start किया, calculate kiya, wherever you've used a trigonometric identity, you've written that in the reason, and then once you've proven that to be equal to RHS, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proof. So all these points are something that you need to take care of. In a graph, सबसे पहले they've written the scale properly. Whatever scale that they've written, they've used that very scale to mark the points out here, and then whatever the y-axis is indicating वो लिखा है, whatever the x-axis is indicating वो लिखा है. Then क्रिंक मार्क अगर है तो क्रिंक अच्छे से बनाया, they've drawn the bars neatly and then they've joined the corners of the highest bar with the adjacent corners of the two bars besides that, and then फिर इधर मोड कैलकुलेट किया, मोड की वैल्यू स्पेसिफाई की, and then properly यहाँ पे मोड का आंसर भी लिख दिया. Then in the next question again, this is linear inequations. So they've calculated them separately. Then once they've received the final answer, solution set अच्छे से लिखा. Solution set लिखने के बाद they've drawn a number line using a scale and pencil, and then फिर उस पे properly points को mark भी किया. Then quickly moving on to the next one, the given equation is x squared plus 7x plus 7. Comparing it with ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A की value, B की value, C की value specify की, formula लिखा अच्छे से, and then once they've written the formula, they've substituted the values in that correctly, used the log table to find out the value of root 77, found that properly, ensured that they are not making any calculation mistake, and then the final answer they've rounded off to whatever it has been asked from them, whether 2 decimal places or 3 significant figures, जो भी वो लोग पूछते हैं वैसे आपने लिख दिया. So that's done. Next, second. Yeah. There's an issue. 1 second. Yeah. So section 5 B, question number 5 is from GP. So we're just going to skip that. Next question. One second. Yeah. So the next question is from reflection. Points A and B are reflected in the origin. So if it's reflected in the origin, then both the signs of both the coordinates are going to change. What is specify kiya? A dash B dash likha. Then the two invariant points were asked, specified that correctly. C is 0, 1, D is 0, 1. A dash B dash CD is an isosceles trapezium. It was asked. So they've underlined the word isosceles trapezium over here. And they've drawn the diagram, rather the graph, scale specify kiya अच्छे से, made the graph using the same scale, plotted the points perfectly, and written the coordinates of every point that has been plotted as well. So all that is done. In the next one, they've used componendo dividendo. They've taken care of the signs over here. Then when they've squared both the sides, they've specified squaring both the sides. Then they've made the calculations. X square is equal to 25 by 64. So x की value आएगी plus minus 5 by 8. They've written that correctly as well. Then the next question is from matrices. So in this matrix multiplication, you have to calculate AC plus B square minus 10C. So first of all, they've calculated AC, written A, written C, made that calculation. Then they've calculated B square separately. Then they've calculated 10C separately. And then फिर उसके बाद सब कुछ add कर दिया. All right. So you need to keep that in mind as well. Then next is again a sum from trigonometry. Prove that का sum है. Started from LHS. Then उसके बाद converted into primary ratios, taken the LCM properly, done all the steps. Then when that came equal to RHS, then LHS is equal to RHS and hence proved. Then the next equation, they're using nature of roots. So A, B, and C likha properly, substituted the values correctly, equated them to be equal to 0 and found out the values of K correspondingly. Then in the next one, they've used section formula. The ratio has been given to us. So M1 is to M2 is 1 is to 2. They've calculated X and Y separately. And once all the calculations have been done, they've written the coordinates of the point in the final answer as well. So that's there. Then question number 7. They've written the slope. They first calculated the slope using the 2-point form and then substituted the value of the slope and found out the required equation, written that in a box properly. Next, they have first taken the original number of children to be x, अच्छे से equation form की, whatever the equation is according to the given condition, then solve that equation correctly, and once they've reached the final answer, neglected the negative value which cannot be the answer, and then written the final answer statement in a box. So you also have to keep this in mind when you make the calculations. And then the next one, made the table neatly. All the values that were needed to be written वो अच्छे से लिखा, mean जो दिया था specify किया, made the calculations properly, and then final answer आया, they've written that in a box. So you have to show all your steps neatly. If you are using a rough work column, make the rough work column separately, do all your rough work in that column only. If you are using a graph, then mention the scale, specify that properly, and then once you've specified that, use that very scale and उसको अच्छे से mention करके अच्छे से neatly draw करना. Do not overwrite, do not scribble on your answer sheet, and just ensure that there's overall neatness maintained in that. So thank you so much. That's about it from my end. We have now analyzed the last year's paper as well as gone through a sample paper to discuss how your presentation should be when you write your own board examination. So thank you so much, everyone.